Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong gamepad or controller not working. So if you are also going through this kind of issue, just go through this video guide. The first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting your system, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, second solution is to update your controller drivers. For that, go to search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand human interface devices, and here select your drivers and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating the drivers, controller drivers, now restart your PC once and check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you need to go to Steam, under library section, select your game. After that, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the controller tab, and here you need to first select enable Steam input, and after that check if the controller is working or not. If not, then come back again and select disable Steam input, and after that check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. So after this step, check if controller gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it is working. So go to Steam and under library section, select your game, and here you can see if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply update it, and after that check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, and here you need to click on this icon. After this, you should select your game. After selecting it, check if it is playing or not. If yes, then again click on Steam menu in the below, then click on power, and after that click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, click on the search icon, then search for check for updates. Here you should check if there is any update available by clicking on check for updates option. Once done, now see if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have provided this link in the description. Just go through it, open it, and download the DS4 Windows on your PC. After downloading, connect your controller and update it, and once done, launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. So by following this method, you can easily fix gamepad or controller not working on Hollow Knight Silksong game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.